What is known as metacognition is usually conceived as thinking about thinking or reasoning about reasoning, which is technically correct, but it is also a biased definition, because it really depends who is the thinker, who thinks about their own thinking. If the thinker is conditioned, and obviously each thinker is conditioned, and there is no such thing as a free thinker, then the process of metacognitively think about their own thinking is also the expression of that conditioning. We have to be very careful about this factor. The relevance of metacognitive introspection also does not have some kind of romantic value, but it is rather a real necessity, especially now and in the future to come, to practice the process of understanding how we assemble our way of reasoning and our way of seeing reality. But to accomplish really tangibly this practice, which should be a daily practice, the thinker should really be prone to investigate very critically about the nature and the structure of their own conditioning, which means family conditioning, the environment in which they grew up or they live, the ideals or ideologies they embark or subscribe, and the whole pillars that put together the architecture of the reasoning. Otherwise, metacognition remains purely a fancy expression to describe what we do every day anyway, which is what we call thinking, or what we think is thinking, while in reality, in fact, is merely a process of putting together a thought after another, trying to create a sense-making through which we can see and navigate reality as we think reality is.